Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to understand what is an IP address and how you can find your computer or a smartphone IP address. So let's start. Computer and internet communicate with each other with underground or underwater cables or wirelessly. If I want to download a file from internet, then my computer should have an address so that other computers in internet can find and locate my computer. In internet terms, that address of a computer is called IP address. Let us understand it with other example like if someone wants to send you a mail, then he or she should have your home address. Similarly, your computer also need an address so that other computers in internet can send you a file that you want to download. The address in internet terms is called an IP address, which is nothing but a string of numbers written in a certain format that uniquely identifies any host device on a network. The term host device is defined as any device connected to a network is called host device, and it has an IP address to communicate with other devices on a network. For example, host devices are computer, printer, camera, mobile phone, etc. Note this comparison. This is your home address which is identified by your area postman and you get all the things delivered in this address. Similarly, this is your computer address which is identified by a computer in internet and you get all the downloads available at this computer address. This address is the IP address of your computer. IP address stands for Internet Protocol Address. But what does it mean? Internet protocol is a set of rules that makes internet work. Like traffic signs actually. These are the rules that controls the whole traffic on a road. You are able to watch this video this time in YouTube only because your computer or your smartphone has an IP address and YouTube is sending you all the data related to this video to this IP address. IP address is of two types, Internet Protocol version 4 and Internet Protocol version 6. IPv4 consists of 4 numbers separated with the dot. Each number can range from 0 to 255 in decimal numbers. But computers do not understand the decimal numbers so that numbers are converted to binary form which is computer understandable. Therefore, in binary, this range can be 8 zeros to 8 ones in binary form, since each number n is represented by a group of 8 binary digits. So the whole IP version 4 address is represented by a sequence of 32 ones and zeros, or simply I should say by a sequence of 32 bits. So IP version 4 is a 32-bit address. An IP version 4, a unique sequence of zeros and ones, is assigned to each computer. Therefore, a total of 2 raised to power 32 devices, that is approximately 4 billion devices, can be connected to a internet at this time. Can address and connected to a internet IP version 4. But there is a problem with this 32-bit IP version 4 address. With IP version 4, we can connect only these number of devices to internet. But these days we have devices like computer, smartphone and other host devices for more than 4 billions. So slowly we are moving towards IP version 6 address, which is a 128-bit IP address. In human friendly form, IP version 6 is written as a group of 8 hexadecimal numbers separated with colons. For example, in human friendly form, the IP version 6 address can be written like this, while in computer friendly form, IP version 6 address can be written by a sequence of 128 ones or zeros. Since a unique sequence of ones and zeros is given to each computer connected to a internet. So with IPv version 6, a total of 2 raised to power 128 devices can be connected to a internet. That is, the IP version 6 can address this amount of devices, which is actually far more than enough for many future generations. Now, How to find your computer's or smartphone public IP address.
Open a browser in your smartphone or a computer and type www.com and then type what is my IP address. You can see your IP address on top of your browser.
Viewers, if you have learned something from this video, please like this video, share this video so that more people can learn. Subscribe to SoftTerms if you want to learn more and turn the notification on. Thanks for watching.